Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to publish a Roblox game. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open up our computer search. And here we will search for Roblox Studio. Open up Roblox Studio, and once we have it loaded, it should automatically detect any games which we have created here. So I'll just give you some time to load up Roblox Studio like this. So it's going to log me in as well. It might ask you to log in with your account. And here I'm just going to click on my experience. Now as you can see, I have 2 experiences. You can create a new one if you would like. Like I said, you can create a new experience here. So for example, let's do classic like this. And now beginning from scratch. Once we have created the game, we will click on Save or click on File here in the top left. And we will select Save to Roblox. As now it's going to show like this. And we will create a new game. The game is going to be Test Game 2 for me. And obviously I'm just going to click on Save here. So it might take some time to load. So loading plays Test Game 2. So just like that, it's going to be loaded. And if I want to publish it, I'll click on File and I'll click on Publish to Roblox. So once I have done this, it might take a little bit of time. So publish the Roblox. We should be done. Now go back into your Roblox website. Click on Create. Now if I go into Creations here, you will see my test game here that I just created. Left click on it. And now here we will select Settings. And we can just change it to public so people can play it. So click on Save Changes. And now we have successfully published and made our Roblox game public so people can play it. So that's basically how you can publish a Roblox game. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.